Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get eToro API key. So you need to be aware that you need to be fully verified on eToro account and that you can do this just on the web uh, browser only. Okay, so now what you need to do is head over to the settings. So here on the web are at the bottom left. So click on settings, gear icon. Now we will navigate to trading tab, click on it and scroll down a little bit and you will see API key management. All right, here is a big button, create your API key, click on it, and now is just what you need to do is put the key name and then let's say we want to test it as a demo. It's like demo account. Access permissions, read access, write access, and then here you have just optional. So let's say test, and now we just hit generate key, and you will need to get verification request, and that's it. So after this verification request, you have yourself generated API key and that API key, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.